So you just got a new Westinghouse Roku TV and you want to connect a soundbar for better sound experience. Well, let's see how to set it up using either the HDMI ARC port or an optical cable. So first, let's talk about connecting the soundbar with the cables. So if you're using an optical cable, connect one end to the optical Tosslink port on the soundbar. However, if you're using an HDMI cable, connect it to the HDMI port on the soundbar instead. Now, let's connect the other ends to your TV. For an optical connection, plug it into the digital audio out optical port on the back or side of the TV. If you're using an HDMI, make sure it's connected to the HDMI ARC or HDMI ARC port on the TV. Otherwise, it won't work. And finally, just plug in the soundbar's power cable and make sure it's turned on. Now, if you're connected with an optical cable, as you can see, the TV should detect the soundbar automatically. If you're using an HDMI ARC or ARC, you'll see a setup prompt on the TV. Select Continue, and the TV will go through a few steps and will automatically configure and then sync with the soundbar. So once the setup is completed, a short sound demo may play to confirm everything is working. Now, right after that, from the side panels, go to Settings, from there to Audio, then the audio output, and then select either HDMI or optical depending on the connection you're using. Now, if both cables are connected, choose the one you want your TV to use. But keep in mind that if you're using only a Toslink, you'll need to use the soundbar's remote to adjust the volume. In that case, the TV remote won't control the soundbar's volume over an optical connection. Now, if you're connected to HDMI ARC or ARC, you can use your TV remote instead. To enable that, let's go to Settings, from there to System, then head over to Control Other Devices or CC. Now first, you can search the CC devices so it can detect your soundbar. When it does, make sure One Touch Play and System Standby both are enabled. Once that's done, you're good to go. Your TV remote will now be able to control the soundbar's volume. And that's how easily you can connect literally any soundbar to your Westinghouse Roku TV. Thanks for your time.